Hello everybody, this is an Octane that's being converted to run a regular ATX, micro ATX motherboard. And what I'm doing on the conversion is I'm keeping the case all original, because eventually maybe I'll put it back to the original configuration. So I'm not going to change anything on the case itself. I took all the cards out, power supply and all that. And I'm just going to adapt and make the ATX items fit into the Octane case. As you can see, here is a micro ATX board, and then I made a header board here to bolt into the ATX motherboard, and then you can slide it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the rails here. And you just slide on there, and then of course it'll the other rail down there. That's how these Octane cases were made. There's a rail, you can see it there, and up in here. And that allows then the motherboard to be replaced in and out, basically plug and play. And then I also put a foam pad in here, helps to cut down on noise and also prevents shorting of the ATX motherboard on there. And here's the case. And then I'll just run a power switch to the front. I've already had this all powered up, and the light bar that's on the front, I just took the and ran the cable from the motherboard and just hot glued it into the light bar, which you can probably see if I come down here, and there it is. And I just glued the LED in there, and it's kind of a light blue LED, which works good on the Octane front. And here's, of course, the front panel. It's in mint condition. That's why I don't want to just change it at all. I want to keep everything so it can go back to how it originally was. Even though the operating system is IRIX, and it's kind of old, but it's still, maybe as a collectible in the future, keep it all original so it can go back to how it used to be. And of course, here's the graphics card. I put the header board and also the other main CPU board in storage. So I'll just keep everything in mint condition so I can put it all back together eventually. Well, okay, that's it for the video. And once I have everything plugged back together, I'll go ahead and post another video. As you can see there, I'm running the what this is, like graphics card. I can't remember what they call it, but it basically allows you to run your graphics card separately instead of having plugged in there. So I run it through the hole here and then secure it under here. Otherwise, there wouldn't be enough room. I'd have to gut the interior out, which I don't want to do. Well, that concludes this video, and I'll post part 2 when it's all done.